Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word unspoken. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Although they had never spoken about it, there was an unspoken understanding between the two friends that they would always have each other's backs. Unspoken refers to something not expressed verbally, but understood or implied. It can describe silent agreements, feelings, or communication between individuals. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.